So let's take a look at myPortal to go. This is our OpenScape business application designed to work on an iPhone or an Android device. It lets us access all of our unified communication features and act as if we were in the office. So for example, I can update my present status and share that information with everybody on the system so they know how it's best to contact me even though I'm out and about. So I put myself into a meeting status, and now I'm bringing myself back into the office. What that has done is it's adjusted the way that my calls are routed. So for example, whilst I was in a meeting, they would have received the appropriate voicemail greeting. I can also see the status of my colleagues back in the office. So for example, I can make a call easily to Dave, who I can see is available, whereas I can see that Giovanni is in a meeting, so I know that there's no point in making a call to him. Following on from that, if I want to dial someone, then I can do that manually from my phone, and I can select a number that I want to call and just press the green button and that'll put the call through for me. Or I can use my contacts and I can select from a contact on my mobile, simply click on them, and once again it'll put the call through for me. And in working this way, I can use my phone in parallel, use my mobile phone in parallel with another phone back in the office. So I can use my mobile phone to drive the way that calls are made and received from the office. So here, for example, if I want to make a phone call, I can click on the contact that I want to call. So in this case, we're going to call Manfred. So if we click on Manfred, so here, for example, we can quickly put a call through to Manfred. So if I select Manfred, select his extension number, it'll call him, and I get information back on my mobile phone about that call. So for example, and this is really different from a standard way you'd use a mobile, if I now want to carry out a consultation and speak to somebody else, then I can put Manfred on hold and do that. And once I'm speaking to Gary, I can then press conference and I can easily set up a three-way call between all the different parties. So as you can see, I'm now starting to use my mobile phone as if it was a phone that was fully integrated and available with all of my colleagues back in the office. So I truly am an anywhere worker. An important feature of myPortal to go is our call journal. From our call journal, we get a personal record of all the calls that we've made and received, calls that we've missed, and also our voicemail messages. So I can see which type of message it is, and if I want to listen to a voicemail message, I just click on it, and then I can select which device I want to listen to that message on. So if I want that to be my mobile or an office phone, it's easily done. So myPortal to go integrates voicemail along with all of your other types of communication into your preferred device, which is your mobile. So that's myPortal to go from OpenScape Business. Everything you need to be an effective anywhere worker.